All right, this is Zen, and she's walking with her cart and her Lala. All right, come on, Zen.
Use 2 hands.
One hand, come on. Use 2 hands and knock. Yeah? What do you think about that, Zen? Good job, Zenny. Honey, watch where you're driving. Okay, I think I'm ready to crawl. All right, Zen.
Look at your mama.
Tell me what you think of walking. Yeah? You think it stinks, huh? Oh God, she's crashing into me. All right, some more? Holy smokes. Okay, woman, go ahead. See ya. Bye. Nice knowing you. Goodbye. Where you headed? My God, you're so cute.
Go what?
Good job, Zenny.